Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this one, we're going to show you what RTP is in slot games or return to player so that you can learn how to beat the house edge. If you want to make money from casinos, just go in the description and learn how we're beating the house edge with casino bonuses by playing the right games with the right stakes. So let's jump into it. So to find out what the RTP is of any slot, you simply go to that game and you press on the information button. Slot return to player, or RTP as it's commonly known, is just simply another way of saying what is that casino slot going to pay back to the player over time. So to give you an example of what that really means, if I've loaded up a slot, Gonzo's Quest, quite popular at the moment, fairly new, lots of casinos are pushing it to try and get gamblers in the door so they can come along and lose all their money because they're not using a smart process. They'll tell you in the information section what is the RTP. So normally to find that, it's either going to be in the information, as I say, and if it's not in the information, like on this slot, it will be down somewhere in a help button or a question mark or something like that. Okay, so you can see if I press the question mark, it loads up the game rules. It's going to tell me all about how the game works, the bet lines, everything like that. Okay, there's lots of information that most people aren't going to understand if they're coming along and playing this game. It's hence why they make it so difficult. But if you keep scrolling down and down and down and down, eventually it's going to tell you at the bottom in the writing what the RTP is. Okay, so along with the max stakes and minimum stakes, it tells you the theoretical return to player for this game is 95.97%. So what that means is if you loaded up Gonzo's Quest as I have, and you put £100, $100, euro, it doesn't matter what your currency is, and you played through that money, you did, let's say, $1 spins 100 times or £1 spins 100 times, so you're staking your whole balance, you would get back 95.97% of that. Okay, so you would get back $95.97 effectively. Okay, so if you stake 1,000, you would get $959.70. So at any time, this game is basically going to take in what you're staking, okay, and then it's going to do a sum, do an algorithm behind the scenes, make all the pretty lights appear, do the spins on the reels for the slot, and it's going to, on average, pay you back 95.97% of what you're staking. Now, of course, if you use a bonus as we are, you completely destroy that edge for them and you make money. So thanks for watching this, guys. I hope that really helps. I'm going to do a few more videos on things like this, just so everyone, whether you're using our method or not, is aware how casino games work and they can actually learn a bit about them so that they're not going to get sort of taken advantage of and they can actually defeat the casino. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that really helps. See you in the next video.